stream is online, and then go from there. Wait, there it is. Okay, awesome. Let me just go ahead and start recording. All right, good evening. Tonight I'm going to be working on some general full stack uh, development and just some general UI tweaks. So just to start us off, you can see that I've actually completely redone the nav bar. I'm a really big fan of this, honestly. Really big fan of this. I have drop down here. Everything is compacted into just one nice clean nav bar, so I don't have any more big blocky blobs of text on the left side of the page. It's just one clean nav bar. And the other nice thing about it is that it's completely scalable down to like 360 pixels. Yeah, about 360, which means I don't really have to do anything uh, special with CSS. I just throw it in there and it just scales itself, which is really freaking nice. But yeah, anyways, let's see. Yeah, so as I mentioned, we are going to start with some general full stack development, but I kind of want to just tweak the UI a bit first, mainly the primary color. And to do that, I'm actually going to start on Figma and just play around there. Figma just makes it a lot easier for me to see my designs and just, well, yeah, work with them. Should I do? I want to go and see if I can generate any color palettes with this and see if I can get any ideas for what my primary should be. I could also just like, play around with it for now, but, okay, can I, like, I know there's, no, okay. I was gonna say, I know there's a few that you can just paste in a color and you can start from there, but maybe, oh, there we go. Wonderful. This is exactly what I was looking for. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's not gonna be too useful, is it? I guess that kind of makes sense because it's, not really, yeah. Okay, so let me, yeah, I'm just gonna start by just tweaking it manually and then going from there. Okay, so with primary, how do I open this? There we go. Let's see. I could go for a little bit darker, maybe. Uh, maybe something like that almost. I don't know why this isn't changing. Do I not have that set to? Oh, I was set to it. Oh. Okay, I don't know why I have that, but I do. So, okay, that's weird. Is the page background? Oh, weird. That is actually the case. Okay. Um, yeah, I was just weirded out because that's not the case uh, for my code base, but things are different sometimes. It's fine. Um, okay, like right off the rip, I'm definitely a lot happier with that, but still, it could be better. So, I'm trying to think, like, what else am I missing here? Um, Honestly, I kind of wonder if I'm missing icons because I realized that when I took away the text um, up here and instead replaced it with icons, it looked so much better. And I think that's really because it makes it simpler. Your eyes don't need to try and take in all that information all at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and add an icon to a few of these things. So like, actually, hold on, this should be, go down here and do this here. So like this, for instance, I go down in here and I'm going to do not member since, of course. I am instead going to do published on. But again, my philosophy with this is, hey, if we just have some icons that kind of make something pop, then it's gonna look a lot better. We'll see if that philosophy actually pans out, though. Maybe it won't, or maybe it will. Who's to say, you know? Okay. The calendar on this does need to be smaller, so at least for the moment, I'm just gonna detach the instance and go in here so I can actually resize the calendar. And then oh, why you're not going in? Okay, well, for now, the spacing doesn't matter too much. Just that it looks decent, you know. Is this in a? Oh, this is in something. Okay. Well, I was gonna say, let me plop this in here. That way I can at least keep it online with this. Okay. That looks pretty decent. Let's see what that looks like up here. Okay. Yeah, I do like that. I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit too much. I'm not sure, but it's decent, I think. So, okay, that's not bad. But again, I still feel like we're lacking detail. But I don't just want to throw my accent and tertiary colors like straight onto there. I don't think that's the best way to do things. So, and I think that because I've done that before, and I realized like, oh my God, this just looks like a toddler spilled paint all over my design. And well, yeah. Um, okay, one thing I am gonna try and do here. What if I wrap, or not wrap, but if the image I have an outline, and I actually do use that tertiary color. I get 2 pixels thick. I don't know. Like, does that look bad though? Is that too much? Is it taking away from the profile picture itself? Ah, man, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be a bit of a cheater and go to like dev.to or something and just see. Okay, so they have reactions. Actually, you know what? That just made me realize what I should do is, hold on, I'll read that later. Um, what I should do, let me throw this over to somewhere else so I don't, because I will just look at it and then like want to read it, you know. Okay, what I should do is I should have a tag section because that's something that I'm gonna want to do at some point already. So I should just go ahead and have a tag section, but that allow me to make each tag colored a bit differently. So that way, you know, I can have one tag that's, web dev, and that tag is red, and then, so on and so forth. Uh, but I feel like those little accents would make it pop a lot more, but not in a bad way, you know? Just like that, I don't know, it's just obnoxious, you know? It's like, ugh, not sure if that's really my thing. But yeah, I feel like if I added tags of some sort, it would look a lot better. And also the other thing I realized is that I don't want like this much text as a preview. I want like actually here, let me just go to like set for sorry, word counter. Word counter. Like a word counter, just see how many like characters. I want like 300 characters, so like hold on, no, not that few. So maybe like even then that's a bit long. All right, let's go down to 300. All the way. Oh, geez, wrong button. Uh, where is this? Is the there? It's 308, but that's fine. Uh, okay. So for now, I have this, and then I can grab this. I can bring it down, and then okay. So now I can add tags, and this does, in a way, this does give me another thing that I have to do, but I think it's one of those things I'll kind of be worth it in the long run. Because I mean, I want to add tags anyways. Actually, okay, hold on. It just occurred to me, am I spending too much time on this one page, and am I gonna do this for every page? And would it be wiser for me to simply just choose a color and stick with it? So like, I feel like everything else looks decent, you know? And I know I still have the old nav bar here, and I'll get that changed at some point. Um, but yeah, I feel like for the sake of my time, let me let's see what else I can do here. Like, what if we change this to like, nah, like that. Like that'd be a little bit too much. Something like that isn't bad though. Okay, maybe I'll stick with that for now. Um, okay, it definitely looks a lot better. So I'm just gonna stick with that for now. But I can come back later and tweak it some more. Yeah, but for now, let me just go ahead and paste this in. Where's my app.css? There's my app.css. This should be for primary. Paste that in, and I want to look at RGB to, oh, sorry, hex RGB, just so I can have, just so I can have that, pixel opacity. Not pixel opacity. My words are not working today, I'm sorry. Um, just so I can have the opacity. Um, just RGBA. There we go. Not this. Where's the hex? Here somewhere. There we go. Yoink that. Paste it in there. And then take this back over here. Hopefully I'm not using the wrong thing here. If I am, sucks to be me. Why am I copied you. There we go. Um, actually, I just realized if it's the same damn thing, it doesn't really matter, does it? Um, yeah, I don't know how I got that. Okay, let's see what this looks like now. You know what? I actually kind of like that. It's different, but it's not too different. This looks a hell of a lot better. Again, I would still like to have whatchamacallit, tags, but at the same time, this isn't bad. Oh, and the other thing that I do need to fix at some point is the navbar reloading every time you change a page. That shouldn't happen, but as you can see, it kind of just disappears and then loads, which is not not great. Because it just makes for like a really clunky feeling app. Instead of just having like a load button here, or like sorry, a load icon here, it just feels really clunky, you know. But that's fine. Okay, so for now, um, yeah, I'm actually gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna keep streaming. I do apologize for not getting to full stack to the full stack development that I promised in the video. But if you wanna see that, you come watch my stream. Um, anyways, that's it for the video. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm obviously not ending stream. If that wasn't obvious enough, I'm gonna commit this as just UI tweak. Uh, actually, honestly, yeah, nah, this tiny UI tweak push. Okay. Um, yeah, now we're gonna start with comments and replies. So this is gonna be fun. This is going to, let's see. Oh, hold on, I just realized something else I don't really have at the moment is a way to delete your post, and it would not be a bad idea to implement that. So hold on. I know that I'm getting off topic here, but uh, add a delete post feature. That's it. Okay, so how do I like users to manage that? I mean, really, just a trash icon on the post. Um, sorry, on the dashboard. I mean. I can't really think of any better way to do this. I think that would be just fine. So yeah, let me add a oh my god. Let me add a post delete thing. So yeah, or sorry, post delete view. Let's go in here and this is for a single blog post. All right, so let's go ahead and do a define delete self request equal to request.data, and we're actually gonna copy some of this from up here. Um, Actually, honestly, I could just do this. Um, so this will be to delete select. Okay, I don't need that. Um, user equal username, and that should be let's make this data slug, and then username will just be go up here and do users equal to self dot request dot user, and at this point I think I can just do user dot. I think can I do that? Is that? I think it is correct. Um, Hopefully I'm not really. Well, actually, I mean no. Hold on. I don't need to do it by that. I just need to do Oh, the other thing I should do. Hold on. This is fine. This is all well and good, but let me do it to delete get for 404 blog post where user is equal to user slug data slug. I think that's correct. They're the correct syntax. I mean, okay. So let's just do to delete dot delete, and then yeah, I can really just go ahead and return a successful deletion. Response status is equal to status dot 200. It should just be 200. Okay, because I feel like I recall looking at that and be like, oh, is that right? And it's like, oh, it actually is. I don't need to add anything to URLs because this is already here. The only difference is that I'm sending a delete request to it instead of a post or a get. So let me go over to tests. Let me find blog post. I should just have blog post. Okay, no, okay. When did my highlight get changed into yellow? I don't know. I don't want to know, frankly. Okay. Anyways, um, fine. Test does delete work self, and then yes, we're gonna need a temp client. And honestly, at some point, I know I should just go ahead and include that in my custom test case. I mean, temp client. There's no reason to authenticate over and over again, but whatever, you know. Okay, so request equal to temp client. Uh, Dot delete first lazy. Create post data is equal to. I'm going to find data up here. Just realizing that that fancy though. And let me actually, just for here, we're just gonna uh, create an object to delete object and delete it. That should just be blog post dot objects. Actually, I can just go up here and then and do that. Wonderful. And what does it matter about it? I'll figure. Oh, it's that. It's that. It's fine. Slug is equal to log. Oh, let me save because I think I need to actually save this. To delete. Delete is equal. Oh wait, to delete dot save. To delete dot slug field. Wonderful. Data is equal to data. And then there's really nothing else to check other than expected status is equal to 200. Self dot assert equal expected status and request dot status code. All right, now we just need to test this. This is blog post view test case. Let's go over here and compose exec backend Python 3 manage py test logs test blog post view test case blog post view test case. Let's see what happened. Oh, oopsies. Oh, I think I know what the issue is here, but wait. Oh no, did I doink up my database somehow? Oh man, I really hope I didn't doink up my database. Because I just add this column, and I swear to God. Hold on. I wonder if this is just something with the test, the testing stuff. So I go here, I go to users, Oscar. Okay, that works there. Why is there no? I really don't understand. I know I say that all the time, but this time it's true, you know. I save that, and then it should just create the database every time we go, you know. Hold on, let me I make migrations. Oh, maybe I haven't. So I thought maybe is it building off the newest migration? Okay, that seems right. Okay, cool. It was just building off of the newest migration. I hadn't made that migration yet, or I think it is. Let me, you know, before I like really screw myself over, let me just okay. I should make sure that that little check mark is still there, because if it wasn't, it was not going to be a fun day. Okay, so the only issue here is that this is just that this exists already. So let me do my unique blog post there, and yeah, it should work fine now. Okay, so number 73. And done for number 73. Push that. Okay, so let me go to, yeah, we'll just start on the front end, I guess. Oh, sorry. I guess I just want people to be able to delete this from here, from the dashboard. So yeah, let me see. Let's see. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I guess what I can do is I can just add a button here that lets the user delete it. But let me, before I do that, I want a delete confirmation. So let me see if there's anything that I can just do that with MUI. I'm sure there is. There's so many to choose from here, I swear. Okay, well, I guess. Is there any reason why I wouldn't just use that? I mean, obviously, if there is, then I don't want to use it. But yeah, honestly, I feel like just doing that is probably fine. Cause yeah, that way. Oh, use deletes. Okay, so we can do that with that. So that's wonderful. But hold on, are we getting a key errors? I was getting key errors somewhere. We're getting key errors here. Got to figure that out. I'm not. Awesome. Um, okay, so in that case, what I need to do is okay. Um, I'm using my big brain here. Every now and then I use it. Let's go to helpers.js first, and I have so many exports. My God. Let's go ahead and do async function delete post slug, and really I should go up here and actually here's a there. This is actually like pretty much a copy and paste at this point. Okay, so constant response is equal to await fetch API blog posts. What's the URL for that? Blog post view. I might need to add another URL. Just realized. Will I? I don't. Hmm. I don't think I need to. I'm gonna do it anyways, just to be technically correct. But I don't think I need to because it was working fine in tests. So I don't know, man. I don't know. What can I tell you? D2F, D2F. What? Oh wait, no. No, that should. Okay. Oh, anyways, here we are now. Let me run backend test, like all my backend tests real quick, just to confirm. Sec backend sh garbage help sh, because I forgot to run that, but it should be running fine. Um, oh, I had to fail. That's not good. Okay, we have to look at that and see what it was. My God, this is. Ugh, okay. I wonder. Oh yeah, it's because the approved AI usage is now there. Okay, so let me go back down to accounts. I just need to add approved AI usage should be false. Down here to. All right, let's run everything again. Normally I would just test it one by one, but I'm very confident that that was just the fix, so I'm not going to test it one by one this time. I just realized that I'm like incredibly thirsty, so I might take a break here in a minute and go get something to drink. But yeah, that looks fine. Wonderful. All right. And now we can get back to doing the front end stuff. So let me go to dashboard.jsx, and this will be. Oh wait, this. Oh, I just noticed I also forgot. Um, it should just be delete post config, and all I need to do is return responsive. Okay. Okay. Listen. Let's see, export this. Delete post. I need to cut back over to dashboard.jsx, and let's see. So here I basically just want to have where do, where am I going to put this on the UI? That is a very good question, not gonna lie. Oh, it's confusing. I don't know. I don't know where to put that. I also realized that I also need to do this for comments. Yeah, I need to do that for comments. Um, hey, where would I put this on the UI though, and where would it logically make sense to go? Um, oh, dude, I don't know. Because I guess I could. Okay, how about this? So, what if I go over to blog post thumbnail? And hold on, I'm also just gonna create a new issue real quick. Add a delete comment feature. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. And I'm gonna take in a new thing. It's gonna be a function. It's gonna be a delete helper. And all it's gonna be is we're gonna say if delete helper is not equal to null, then let's go ahead and the button one click do that. Otherwise just for null. And I should be able to go back here and yeah, we just have nothing, which is correct. And what this should be actually is the trash. Oh, geez. There's so many. Oh, let me go to MUI's website for this again. MUI icons. Trash can. Oh, delete. I could. Oh, that's probably why, because it's called delete. Okay. Now we get to see if I actually did this correctly. Yeah, there we go. I think that's correct. Uh, so then we go in here, and for now we'll just say this is a function delete helper, and actually for now it'll just be nothing, but that's fine because we're going down here. We're gonna pass this in, and it's gonna be delete helper. Click to delete helper. This should be the case. Okay, right now doesn't do anything, but that's fine. Okay. And yeah, so from here, now we need to actually make the logic. So, oh, I also, oh, Jesus, I just realized I also need to add an edit feature for both the words are blanking me again, both post and comments. I'm gonna go add that as an issue right now. Add an edit comment feature. You know, I thought I was getting close, but I wasn't. Edit post feature, post to deployment. I mean, uh, okay. So we have delete helper, and okay. So now we have to actually think about how to do this because we need to pass in. I guess in this case, we just slugify the. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm blanking on words again. We just pass in the slug of the title. So we just slugify the title. Um, And yes, delete helper should take in a slug. And what it should do is look at help, wrong button, helpers. Go over here, actually split this off down here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do delete post, slug, dot then. We're gonna pass it res, we're gonna say if res, then, this is gonna be the fun part. Ugh. But I don't know how to delete this properly. Or delete, sorry. I don't know how to delete this. I don't know how to delete this from the UI properly because that's just a list of objects. Oh, but yeah, it's really kind of painfully hard to do, you know. Not painfully hard to do, but I haven't figured it out yet. So I have the slug and I have a slug. But I need to remove. Let me Google that and see if there's any quick answers. Remove an object. Remove a certain object from array. That's great, but I don't know the exact thing or the exact index. I guess. Well, I guess in this case, do I have the index here? I don't have the index here. I was gonna say in this case, I could just I could very simply just pass the index in, but that might prove to be more challenging. Also, I need to make sure that this is an optional. See, I just realized I might be screwing myself over here. No, it's fine. I just wanted to make sure that that trash icon was optional, but it is optional, which is good. Okay. Um, yeah. So I guess what I can do is just pass an index. Um, index is equal to index, and then let's go down here and say slugify title as well as index. So you need to take in index. Thank you. Wonderful. And if res, then we need to set post to. I think I need to do this. New post is equal to post dot uh no, I don't just want to pop it. I want to um splice. Okay, so rebalance from array if necessary. The zero base location. Okay. Alright, so index 1. And then set new post. New post. Well, actually, that does actually return. Okay, I think it does. I guess we'll find out shortly. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, yep, I think it did. I think it did the wrong one. Um, Yeah, okay, it's doing the wrong one. It is working, which is great, but yeah, it's doing the wrong one at the moment. So I think that's an oopsie on my part, cause let me just let me let it console.log the index. Uh, console.log the index. Don't need that character there. Oh, oh yeah, because it actually. Oh, would you look at that? It actually leaves it. My awesome title. Awesome. Um, dashboard. It does say that it's 0, but yeah, I'm wondering if. Hold on. Let me think about this for a second. Let me just go to. Hold on. I'm gonna be a little bit silly. Program is JS. I'm just gonna go here. We're gonna say x equal to 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna console.log x dot slice 1 0 1. So in my mind, this should return 2 3 4. Yeah, but that just returns the one that was removed. So do I need to use slice? I think in this case I just need to do slice to whatever element that I want to be removed. So in this case, like 0 0, and then sorry, 1 and on. Yeah, so it should be slice to from 0 to the index, and then slice to index plus 1 and on. 'Cause that's inclusive. Okay. So new post dot slice from 0 to the index plus post dot slice uh, index plus 1 and on. All right, let me try that. Um, my awesome title. Did it create it? No. That's weird. I should probably figure that out at some point. Okay. How is that redirecting without frickin' the nav bar re-rendering? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But okay, so let's just create another post. Title. Wonderful. Beautiful. Let's go here. Oh, sorry, let's go to our dashboard. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me console.log post. I'm guessing. No, I can concatenate arrays, correct? If I go here to like 1 plus 2 and 3. Oh, okay, maybe I can't. Don't I use don't I need to use like array.extend or something? Um, concatenate arrays.js. Join. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, so I'm looking to use array.concatenate instead of just adding it together. Oopsies. How can I do this then? set slice dot concat okay, go back over here, go to my dashboard. Oh, go to my dashboard. Okay, so that works off the rip, but let me go here and let me try and create a few other posts. Let me try this also with just like, 23 as a title. That works fine. For some reason it wouldn't work fine, but still. And then okay, so at least 23. At least that, wonderful. Okay. So the underlying logic is done here. Git add, git commit this. What's the number here? 76. Underlying logic. Complete. Now we need to write tests. So, oh, this is gonna be such a pain to test, though, isn't it? Oh, crap! I just realized I forgot to add a dialogue component here. So, yeah, let me. I think I'm pretty sure that I'm just gonna use this because there's really. Can I just edit this? Oh, I can't. Okay, cool. In that case, I'm literally just gonna delete everything that I don't need, just so I can see this stuff a bit easier. And this is JavaScript, of course. So I think all I need to do is this. As far as I know, I'm not sure. Let's see what else we got down here. Yes, that's just, yeah, okay. So, I'm not sure what this is doing. Do we import props from anywhere? Oh, we pass it in. Um, it's weird. But, okay, it is. Are we just passing in like here? Let me just make sure I'm not. Yeah. We're just passing in there. That's fine. Okay, so in that case, we can just go here. And yeah, I'm gonna throw this over to my second monitor actually, just so I can see what I'm doing here. Um, and so let's see. So on click, well actually, yes, the button itself shouldn't be, yeah, okay, so I know what I'm doing then. So it should be a dialogue in here. This should be, did you not import by default? Dialogue, there you go, thank you. Should be on close, should be handle close and open. So to open, I need to actually do something here. So let's see. So I don't really have it defined over here. They should have this is just a simple use state. So open set open is equal to use state default to false. And then let me see what else we need. Okay, no offense, but I feel like this example is kind of not great. There's a lot of like extra content that I feel like isn't really necessary, you know? It's kind of annoying, I guess. Um, okay, well, first off, when this button is clicked, I want to set open to true. And let's see. When on close is clicked, or well, actually, I don't really need to do anything on close. Okay, unless I mean, unless something doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave that blank for now. Instead, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say, so when, yes, I am. This will delete your post forever. Are you sure? And the button should do is should be on click. This is actually where I will have a delete helper. So um, function uh, dialog, say dialog helper. And this is going to, oh, let me think about this. So, because delete helper will be called here. Well, what I can go, what I can do, I can just go ahead and return true. Not capitals, not capitals. Well, actually, either way, well, let me just return a res. There's no reason not to return it. So, on click, let's go ahead and call delete helper. And we'll just say constant res is equal to delete helper. And also I need to do sluggify title and index. And then let's say if res, let's go ahead and set the modal to close. Set open false, which means I go in here and say let's call dialog helper. Let's see, is my site blowing up yet? Not yet. That's a good start. All right, let's just try and delete real quick. Or delete a post real quick, I mean. This will delete your post forever. Are you sure? Yes. Wonderful. All right, I like to do a bit of styling on both of those things, but that does actually look like pretty good, and I'm pretty content with it. So yeah, let me. Okay, is there anything else? Air handling could be important potentially. It might not be a bad idea to just go ahead and have a snack bar in here that deals with air handling. So yeah, let me go. Hold on. Let me find it. Where is? Hold on. Nice. Also, the other thing that I just realized I'm gonna do. This is a lot of weight for a simple blog post thumbnail to be holding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to split PV. I'm gonna do dashboard post thumbnail.jsx. It's basically gonna be the same damn thing, but I can just do like whatever the hell I want with it now. But up here, hold on. Let me import dashboard. How do I, oh, wait, no, actually, save again. Let's do like thumbnail. Well, okay, it's not letting me import it, I'll figure it out. Um, blog post. Oh, I'm probably not exporting that. It'd help if I exported it, you know. Or blog post thumbnail. Okay, there we go. I'm not normally worrying about performance optimizations like that, but just since that's something that every single user would use. I feel like it's better to just go ahead and yeah, optimize it a little bit simply by going here and just cleaning it up, you know. Okay. Okay, so now that we got that, I should behave in the same manner, and now I can go back to using the snack bar. So yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so all right, let's see. So it should be pretty simple. Because all we're gonna do is basically say, okay, if this fails, open snack bar. So let's snack bar open, set snack bar open to use state false. And then, wait, hold on. What's the difference between this and an alert? I think snack bar is what I should be using though. Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna be a little sneaky and just yoink this. And this is just going to be plopped in there, really. This needs to be a fragment now. I'm not sure if there's a certain spot that I should, or I should put that, but that should be fine. Okay, so something draw. I mean, how am I doing this on like settings though? Yeah, see, like I don't have severity warnings here, so okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use alert because yes. So, okay, so we have our snack bar, we have the auto hide duration. We'll change it to full. Jeez, 5,000. Oh, wait, why are you? Uh, oh, no. Oh my God. Oh, it's like, oh, I have it on caps. That's why. Okay. So you need action, I need that. You need open, I need on close. And then just in here, you need to close snack bar. Need alert. And then on close to handle close. This will be severity, error, and I've only been using the filled variant for now, so yeah, let's do that. All right. I've been realizing that this probably doesn't actually matter. Should I not bother with the snack bar? Because, like, okay, look, the only way that this is gonna fail is if the server is just dead. And in that case, you got bigger problems. So by that logic, I'm gonna be a little bit lazy, maybe. Go up here, I'm gonna delete this. And what are you expecting? You say that you're expecting something, but I don't believe you. Okay, well, it's just that, I think. Um, oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I don't know how I did this, but I think I somehow wrapped this whole thing in dialog helper. Or the dialog helper function, I mean. Um, I don't know. I don't know how I did that, but I did. Oh, wait, hold on. Just that. We're fine. We're fine. Okay, so again, going back here, I think this is completely fine. So, do I have any major changes? Let me go and commit that. Separated things out for, I think it's 73. For number, oh wait, what? No, now it's the wrong issue. For 73. For number 73. And all I need to do now is write tests. But I'm gonna do that off stream because I'm tired and I don't really want to talk anymore. So if you have watched this long, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, how dare you? Yeah, that's it. And I'll see you hopefully